We're happy to be here at Bee Ridge, Sarasota County's new advanced water treatment plant that incorporates MemCor MBR membranes as part of the treatment strategy. This is going to allow them to reuse the water in a number of different ways. And one of the reasons that we believe we were selected for this project was they recognize the benefit of the MemCor MemPulse system, which allows membranes to stay in the tank and not be removed for maintenance. That's a reason that they selected us over competition for this project. And we're very happy to be part of that family of large membrane systems in around the world, including the largest now MBR plant in Florida.
At this facility, we increased the capacity from 12 million gallons a day to 18 million gallons a day and converted the facility to AWT. This is one of 3 wastewater facilities Sarasota County owns and operates. We're converting all of them to AWT, and we decided to go to the most advanced technology and use membranes. We decided to use membranes to reduce the footprint of the facility and to get higher quality water. The community is on the Gulf, so we need to produce low nitrogen, phosphorus, high quality effluent, and it's used for irrigation. So we wanted to produce the best quality irrigation water we can. The turbidity has gone down tremendously. We've had visitors from several countries and from all over Florida looking at the facility, seeing how we're doing it, how it works. We are the biggest membrane facility now in the southeast United States and the biggest in Florida.
Great to be here in Sarasota today and welcoming the Bee Ridge facility to the group of landmark MemCor MBR installations around the world. It joins the family of the Tuas plant in Singapore, which is the largest plant in Singapore, the Rimini plant in Italy, which is the largest plant in Italy, and now Bee Ridge will be the largest plant here in Florida for MBR. None of this comes together without the contributions, great contributions of our team from the County of Sarasota to Garney Constructors to Carollo Engineers, all of them which played an important role in this, and we're really proud and happy to be with them.